Hi guys, welcome back to day 3 of our St. Patrick's Day week celebration. This is a little twist on an iconic Dr. Seuss fave, green eggs and ham. Well, we're going to get into it, but first we're going to prep by making some chimichurri sauce. Alright, into a little bowl is going to go 1 small clove of garlic pressed. Now, if you've never made chimichurri sauce before, it's very, very green. So, this is going to be the green in our green eggs and ham. 1/4 cup of olive oil we add to that small clove of pressed garlic. All right, then next goes in our chopped veg. Now, where's my big knife? Oh. You know what? Before we get into our sliced veg, let's add our other dry ingredients while my hands are still dry. We're going to have salt and pepper to taste. All right. A little bit of basil. Using a dried herb, always remember you need to give it a little press in your hands or warm it in a skillet to release those essential oils that are in there. And on each of these, we're just doing a little dash, okay? And that's basil, oregano, and thyme, okay? We have our salt and pepper, our dried herbs. Now in go our fresh herbs. Now, you notice that I'm including the stems in this, and there's a reason for that. The stems in your herbs, like parsley and cilantro, are incredibly flavorful and full of nutrition. So when you're making a sauce, don't leave those out. Don't throw them out. Just include them in your chop. You're going to want to have about 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley. However, you can really do this to taste, guys. I'm doing a little extra in mine because I really like that fresh parsley. I love the taste of it. It's good for your stomach. And it's a really wonderful way to boost nutrition in a meal. So get your little leaves of spinach all in a row there, or as best you can. Stems included. And we're just going to bring it up. Doesn't need to be a chiffonade, but if you want to do that, you can. Okay, guys, notice the glove? Haha, we've had to reset because, you know how I always say, keep those fingers out of the way. And in goes our fresh chopped spinach. Last thing, zest of 1/2 of a lime. Done with that. And in that goes. Now, the juice of 1/2 of a lime. Let's combine that. Look how beautiful is that. Oh my goodness sakes. Amazing. Now, if you have time to let this set for about 20 to 30 minutes while you're doing everything else, let it do that because it's going to get really good and happy with all of its fellow ingredients in there. And that's going to be gorgeous. We're going to cook up some eggs and get our ham ready for our green eggs and ham. For the green in our green eggs and ham, our chimichurri. I think Dr. Seuss would be proud, don't you? Got our green eggs in our ham with our homemade chimichurri sauce. Now, if you've never done that, it's super easy, as you can see from the video. And if you have leftover, guess what?
It's good on anything. It's herbaceous, it's zesty with that lime zest and juice in there. So wonderful. The balance of acid is perfect and it'll go on anything. And guess what? If you have leftover, put it in the fridge and then use it on a marinade. Check that out. And guys, give us a like and a comment. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, do that for us, okay? Hit that notify bell so you can see all the videos we're uploading for you each and every week. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.